वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ द अल्फा ट्रेडर। तो ये वीडियो बहुत स्पेशल होने वाला है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू बी शेयरिंग माय 2 months performance, 2 months trading income and you can see 2 months profit and loss report in this video। तो ये वीडियो बेसिकली उन लोगों के लिए है जो स्मॉल कैपिटल से ट्रेड करते हैं, द पीपल हु आर ट्रेडिंग विद अ वेरी स्मॉल कैपिटल एंड recently due to this leverage rules, due to the SEBI margin rules, a lot of people are getting demotivated that छोटे capital से हम पैसा नहीं बना सकते। Then this is video is going to be a motivation for you because I have used a very small capital amount and I have generated a massive amount of return on that particular capital। तो इस वीडियो में first we are going to talk about what is my trading system, what are the rules that I followed, then some important rules from my trading journal। So we are going to be talking about all of that. After that, after we are done with that, then we are going to be looking at my 2 months profit and loss statement, and I will show you how I did it, what I did, and why I did it. All right, so let's get started with the video. So first, let's coming to the rules of my trading system. So over here, if you see, these are the rules of my trading system. So the maximum trades per day I took, they were 3. So I did not take more than 3 trades a day. This is a very simple logic and simple rule. I'll explain behind the logic behind that. So the logic is that when you take one trade and you win, okay, it's well and good. Then you take a second trade, you win, it's well and good. But the third trade, it gives you overconfidence and there is a high chance that you will end up losing your money. And then if you, let's say if you lose one trade, okay, no problem. But second trade, if you have a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, you have a chance to recover it, the loss, and even end up in a profit if you have a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. But if you have a third trade, if you take a third trade after losing 2 trades, it becomes more of a recovery type of mindset rather than a process based mindset. So 3 ट्रेड से ज्यादा ट्रेड नहीं लेना है मुझे in this particular trading system. So 3 trade is my upper limit. I cannot trade more than 3 times in a single day. Then coming to the next rule, maximum SL per day. So I can make only 2 losses per day. एक दिन में 2 से ज्यादा losses नहीं करना है. If I am taking a particular trade and I lose in that, well and good. If next trade even I lose that one as well, I will stop there and I won't take any more trades for the day. This SL rule is more like moreover related to the first rule, that is maximum 3 trades per day. But I hope उसके पीछे का लॉजिक आपको समझ में आ गया है। Now coming to the next rule, the minimum risk to reward ratio of my trades is going to be 1:2 only. उससे कम का अगर risk to reward ratio मिल रहा है, then I am not going to trade. If I am getting a risk to reward ratio of less than 1:2, I will not take the trade. No matter how good the trade is, I will avoid the trade because risk to reward ratio of 1:2 gives me an edge in the market and gives me an advantage to grow my account even more. Then coming to the risk per trade, the risk per trade is going to be only 2% of the account size. So we will talk about that gradually. So in the beginning, my account size was only 25,000 rupees. So you can say the risk per trade was only 500 rupees. After that, next week it grew more. Then I took a risk on that 2%, then it grew more, and then on that 2%. So let's say it grew to 30,000 then, and then I took 2% of that, that is 600. So just like this, I kept on increasing my risk appetite as my account size increased. So you can say I basically compounded on my risk appetite and kept on increasing my risk as the account size increased. अब ये थे मेरे रूल्स के रूल्स ऑफ माय ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम। अब हम आ जाते हैं हमारे ट्रेडिंग जर्नल की नोट्स पे। तो आई रोट अ लॉट ऑफ नोट्स इन माय ट्रेडिंग जर्नल, बट कुछ ऐसे नोट्स है जो शायद आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल हो जाए बिकॉज इन ट्रेडिंग जर्नल मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल राइट पर्सनल थिंग्स, पर्सनल थॉट्स दैट आर रेलेवेंट ओनली टू देम। तो मैंने भी वैसे बहुत सारे थॉट्स लिखे थे, बट आई हैव picked out the points that will be the most useful to you guys. All right, so now coming to the notes from trading journal. So the first, do not take unplanned trades. बहुत obvious है, but a lot of people do that. So I took this down when I took an unplanned trade and made a loss in the first week when I started this journey of trading with a small account. उसके बाद I took this and then do not become overconfident after consistent wins. So उसके बाद next week I performed very well. I got a very good win ratio. I got a very good profit. So I wanted to make sure that I'm not becoming overconfident because there might be one day where I can just lose all of my profits by making a silly mistake and becoming overconfident. उसके बाद जो third rule है, whenever you fail to follow your plan, you increase the chances of your losses. तो ये जो point है, this is basically to make sure and to remind me that all the time you have to follow your trading system, your trading plan, because जब भी आप अपना plan follow नहीं करते हो, you increase the chances of your losses. अब फोर्थ पॉइंट पे आ जाते हैं। तो फोर्थ पॉइंट इज लूजिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ गेम, डू नॉट लेट इट अफेक्ट यू। तो जब आप लोग मेरा पीएनएल देखोगे, जब यू विल सी माय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट, यू विल सी दैट 1 week was very rough for me, 1 week was consistent losses for me. So I wrote this point on that particular week, that losing is a part of game, do not let it affect you. Okay, now coming to the fifth point, always take a break after consecutive wins or losses. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है और ये मैं अपने टेलीग्राम में भी हमेशा बताता हूँ, दैट अगर आप 3 दिन कंटिन्यूस लॉसेस कर रहे हो, या इफ यू आर विनिंग 3 days continuously, then the fourth day you are supposed to take a break, because if you are winning 3 days consecutively, then fourth day you are going to be in fear, you are going to be in panic, and you will take unnecessary trades. And if, let's say, if you win 3 days in a row, then on fourth day you will be overconfident and you will be taking unnecessary trades as well. तो भले ही विन हो या लॉस हो, 3 दिन लगातार आपको फोर्थ डे ब्रेक लेना है एंड ट्रेड बिल्कुल नहीं करना है। तो ये हो गए हमारी ट्रेडिंग जर्नल के नोट्स एंड द rules of my trading system. Now let us go to our profit and loss statement and see how much returns I made. All right, now coming to the profit and loss ratio. So before I show you my profit, before I show you my losses or whatever it is going to be, first I want to tell you how much capital I used and what was my thought process. मैंने capital कम क्यों किया and why did I do this? So if you have watched my previous videos, this one or this one, then you would have seen that my capital is a lot bigger than that it is going to be in this particular video. My capital, you can say, was around 1 lakh 1.5 lakh rupees. So why did I decided to drop it down? So I decided to drop my capital to 25,000 rupees only and start trading from there and start growing it over there. तो मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया? तो the thing was, when I was trading with a bigger capital, the trading psychology was there, it was right, it was great, but I was not confident with my psychology. There were some days where I would take unnecessary trades and make a good amount of losses, right? So I was still profitable, but I wanted more polishing on my trading psychology. So to improve my trading psychology, I decided to take a break from the bigger trading and decided to trade with a small capital and then grow it from there. And then I wanted to also see कि मैं कितना grow कर पाता हूँ मेरा account and what is the impact of skills. Alright, now coming to the profits. तो अगर आप profit देखते हो, तो I was able to make a good amount of returns on equity segment itself. तो मैंने options भी trade किया है, मैंने equity भी trade किया है. तो if you see my profits in equity after charges and all that, the net profit comes to 4,460.91 rupees after charges and taxes. तो ये था मेरा net profit trading with a 25,000 rupees वाला account. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला था कि फर्स्ट वीक में मेरा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं था, तो यू कैन सी दिस वाज माय परफॉर्मेंस ऑन द फर्स्ट वीक. उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा था that losses are part of game. I think I wrote it on this week. तो यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ और लिखा था. I don't exactly remember all the rules where I wrote and when I wrote, but I hope you guys are getting the point, right? So this was my equity trades. Now coming to the futures and options trade. तो इफ यू लुक एट माय फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस, तो दिस इज वेयर आई मेड मोस्ट ऑफ माय मनी. मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑप्शंस बाइंग करके ही ये सारे प्रॉफिट्स कमाए हो. देयर वाज नो ऑप्शन सेलिंग. ऑब्वियसली आप 25,000 के कैपिटल में यू कैन नॉट डू ऑप्शन सेलिंग. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज ट्रेड्स आर बेसिकली जस्ट फ्रॉम ऑप्शन बाइंग एंड ओनली ऑप्शन बाइंग. तो ये थे मेरे ऑप्शंस के ट्रेड. तो इसमें हमने बहुत अच्छे रिटर्न्स कमाए. आफ्टर चार्जेस एंड ऑल दैट वी आर गेटिंग अ नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ 7,841 रुपीज. तो अगर आप इक्विटी और फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस को ऐड करते हो, तो इक्विटी में वी हैड 11,340 रुपीज प्रॉफिट एंड ऑप्शंस में वी हैड अराउंड 7,841. तो उसका जो टोटल आ जाता है वो है 19,000 रुपीज का ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, यू कैन से, आफ्टर चार्जेस एंड अदर क्रेडिट्स एंड डेबिट्स. नेट प्रॉफिट इज कमिंग टू 12,302 रुपीज. तो 12,302 रुपीज मैंने कमाया नेट प्रॉफिट विद अ कैपिटल ऑफ 25,000 रुपीज. तो अगर आप उसका परसेंटेज निकालते हो, तो परसेंटेज कम्स टू 49.2% रिटर्न्स इन जस्ट 2 months, right? In just 8 weeks I made a profit of 49.2% on my capital. So ये एक मोटिवेशन मैं चाहता था देने के लिए for the traders who are trading with a small capital. Look, the leverage is not the end of trading. The skill set that you have, the skill set that you are going to develop, that is what is going to make you money. Leverage जाने से it is not going to do a major impact. Make keep this fit this in your mind. बहुत सारे लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि leverage चले जाएगा तो मैं trading कैसे करूंगा. देखो, leverage is not everything. Your skill set is everything. And if you have a good amount of skill set, leverage does not matter. तो ये उन सारे लोगों के लिए मोटिवेशन है जो सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ बड़े कैपिटल से प्रॉफिट हो सकते हैं. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आप छोटे कैपिटल से भी ट्रेड कर सकते हो. बस आपका जो स्किल सेट है और जो आपका साइकोलॉजी है वो सही जगह होना चाहिए, एंड एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। आई होप ये मोटिवेशन आपको काम आएगा। आई होप मेरा ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम एंड माय ट्रेडिंग रूल्स हेल्प यू। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो डेफिनेटली डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, इट हेल्प्स माय चैनल ग्रो, एंड इफ you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you next Saturday. Thank you so much for watching.